Hello, and welcome to my Project 4 Responsive Website Design essay. I had a great time in this class, and I really learned a lot. So I'm going to start with the last part of the questions first, is what advice would I give to anybody coming in to take this class in the future? Well, the thing is, I would strongly suggest against having any back procedures right before or during the class. Take it from personal experience, it's not a good thing to do. Although the class isn't hard in a technical sense, it does take a lot of concentration in order to understand everything you're learning. Lally is a fantastic teacher. If you have any questions, please ask her. She's a wealth of information. Ask her and she'll find out. If she doesn't know it right off the bat, she'll go and find out and send you information on what you need to know to answer your question on that. Speaking of which, I have used WordPress in the past to varying degrees of success, mostly on the negative side, but I did enjoy this class as I mentioned before. There were some challenges. I'm not quite used to that platform, so it's like using Numbers and Excel. They both do the same thing, but they have different shortcuts and hotkeys and things that you can do or not do. So the biggest challenge I had was after I made my design, my wireframe, and then taking the theme, and I did try to use the theme on the basis for my wireframe and vice versa, my wireframe basis of my theme. But there are some things that I had to change a little bit, maybe because I didn't have the expertise in order to complete everything. But it came out really close to what my wireframe looked like. So that was my biggest change that I had to take care of, was just changing a little bit of the format, a little bit of the layout of the front page. The challenge, I had a major challenge there with the menus. I went and created the menu system and I previewed the pages and they looked really great. But then when I went to go publish it, all of a sudden things happened. Yes, when I made the menus the first time, I made some mistakes, but when I corrected them and I did the previews, they came out perfectly. But when I went back to do the screenshots of the page, all these other menu items came up that I didn't have. I had 5 total on my menu items originally planned, and all of a sudden all my submenus started popping up. And I don't know, I probably did about 5 or 6 times I went through in order to rechange the menu to put it back to the way I wanted it with the subclasses until it finally all came together. It seemed that I had all the pages except the About page, which was my landing page. And then after I fixed that, for some reason, one of my first subclass page went off, my service page. All of a sudden, when he got to that page, the menu items all messed up again. So I had to go back and forth doing that. Like the class said, that doing the WordPress and trying to all the formats, the laptop to the iPhones, the smartphones and all that, it's real simple. It was just drag and drop and it converted as long as you were paying attention to what you did. So again, it was a fantastic class. Thank you very much, Lally. You're an excellent teacher. I really did learn a lot from your classes and your online stuff. And I'm looking forward to possibly having you something in the future. Anyway, that's my essay. And I'm going to attach my website. It's going to be http:// c.garska, film at .wordpress.com. So, and I'll put that in the notes here as well. So again, it's c.garska, GARSTKA, film .wordpress.com. Everybody have a safe and happy holiday season, and we'll see everybody next year. Bye.